Hi guys, previously we discussed how to set up our workspace or the 2D workspace. Today we will discuss how to use the draw tools uh, on the left and in the toolbar. Now let's begin. First we will draw the line. What is this line? Click anywhere in the screen and then draw the line. If you want perfectly horizontal, click the ortho mode. So perfect horizontal or perfectly vertical. So let's say it's 10 meters. Okay. Then enter. Now we have the line. I will delete this. So I have the line now with a length of 10 meters. Then I will show you what is the dimension. Let's see if the dimension is here. So 10 meters. So you can see our dimension is very tiny. It's tiny. So we can still adjust this by dimension style, modify. So text height, let's say 100, and arrow size, let's say 100 also, and then click OK. Set current click and then close. So now our dimension is become a little bit bigger. If you want to make it bigger, also again repeat the process. Dimension or type D, dimension style. Okay, then modify. So arrow size, let's say 200, and then text, let's say 200 also, 200. Click OK. Then set as current and close. Now we have a bigger size of dimension. Okay, so we have the line. Now this line is draw using this draw here, but we can still draw also here from the left. The same thing, 10,000 as in 10 meters, and then enter. So now we have the same. Okay, so three technique using here and using here, and then another one is type L. Type L line or enter, then you can have line as well, 10,000. Okay, so this is how to draw the line. Let's move here. Okay, so we have the line, different lines. So this dimension we can also use. Okay, see this dimension, dim. We can still edit dimension line, modify. Okay, symbols now. Text, horizontal, left to right. So let's see this one. One. Offset from dimension line. So let's see. Ready. Okay. And then feet. Text placement base the dimension line over dimension line without leader. So with leader, let's see this. Primary 0. Okay. Apply to layout, no need. Okay. Tolerance. Middle. Top. Middle, we will do the middle. Okay. Position. Set current. Close. Okay. So now we have the line and the dimension we already adjusted. Now we will draw the ray. What is ray? Ray usually is used to draw the grid lines. Now I will show you what is ray. So I will click from the left and then go to the right. So you can see the ray is from the beginning to the right is infinity. There is no ending point on the right. Okay, that is the ray. So you can also draw the ray from the right to the left. Draw ray right to the left. Okay, so draw ray again, enter, from top to down, from down to top. So all of the direction of the ray is never ending or infinity. Okay, so this is the ray. I will delete. Select, by the way, selection. When we are selecting things, example, you can select like this, one by one, and then delete. Okay, so but you can select as well like this, from the right to the left. On this box, whatever touched by this box, it will be selected. Okay, but also you can select from left to right, but all only inside of the box will be selected. If this is not totally inside of the box, it will not be selected like this. So you can see it's not inside the box, but when I put in all inside of this green box, it will be selected. Okay, so press escape to deselect. Then I will select now this one to delete. Now we will draw construction line. So we have also here button, and also we can type XL. So now what is construction line? Same ray, but the construction line is both side infinity. So you can see here, enter, it's both side infinity, no ending. Okay, Okay, so this is the, also you can draw the construction line vertical, same thing. So infinity, same infinity, both upper and lower. So that is how to draw the construction line. Now we will draw multi-line. What is multi-line? We are using the multi-line. Okay, but first we need to adjust justification. Top, 0 or bottom. 0 means in between the line. Top, bottom. Okay, so that is justification. So I will use the top, and then scale. So scale, this is the distance between the lines. Okay, how many units, the distance between the two lines. Now I will make, let's say, what is this, 100 as 10 centimeters or 10 meters. Let's say 100 millimeter or 100 units. Enter. So style, specify. Okay, standard. So style, what is this line standards? You can choose later this what type of line you like, you want, either hidden line or straight line or standard. Now we can draw now our multi-line. Okay, now let's see. You can see the multi-line here, multi-line here. Okay, so now, okay, so this is the multi-line. Type C to complete or close. Then you have the multi-line with the distance. You can still edit what distance you want between the two lines by selecting the properties and type here 200 example, and then enter, and then adjust it. The distance between this is adjusted. Now let's see if the distance, this is the distance measurement. So 200, right? It's 200 now. And what else? This polyline. Polyline is a continuous line. Okay, that we can draw, like we can draw freely what type of shape that we need to draw. Okay, like let's try it. Polyline. Well, also here in the side there is also polyline symbol. Polyline. Okay, let's draw line 200. Enter. Then going to the right. Okay, to the right, 1000, 1 meter, or okay, here let's say 3000 or 3 meters. Okay, here 10 meters. Okay, then here 8 meters. Enter. Then here you can see here 20,000. Okay, and then type down 2,000. Then here 4,000. Then here 2,500. then type C as in close. Okay, so you can see I will draw the dimension of this irregular shape. There is a quick dimension also here. You can see here, quick dimension. And quick dimension. And here, here, okay. Quick dimension. Or this. Quick dimension. Enter. Quick dimension. Dimension. Enter. Quick dimension. Enter. Quick dimension. So we have all the dimensions except this two. Okay, 15. Just a minute. I will delete. Quick dimension. 200. Okay. Now it's always giving the dimension vertical and horizontal only. Example on this one. Okay, so only vertical, but there's no dimension in the incline. How we will do this? Okay, how we will do this? We need to adjust the UCS. Okay, click here and down, and click here, and then click here. Now we have the new UCS or user coordinates. Now we will do the quick dimension again from here up to here. So now you have the coordinates. Okay, and then click this, and you have already coordinates in the inclined position. Okay guys, now we will use the this is the drawing using polylines, and you can also use this. You can also draw by using line only. Okay, but I will show you what is the difference on these two. So we started in 200. Click here, type 200, then enter, and then 10,000, and then just a minute. I need to have one space somewhere here, maybe here. Okay, so enter again, line, click here, 200. Okay, then what, 10,000. Okay, then what is the dimension here? 3,000. 3,000. Okay, then 10,000. Okay, now this 8,000. 8,000. Okay, then 20,000 or 20 meters. Then 2,000 down. Okay, then 4,000. Then what is this dimension? 2486. 2486. Enter. and then type C as in close, or you cannot close, just line again from here to here. Okay guys, you can see guys, if you click the polyline, the irregular shape draw using polyline, this is totally one entity only. But when you draw the line only, using the line only, you have only single entity on each line. So you cannot select only in one time. Okay. But if you want to join this in the same as polyline, what we'll do is type J or join. So select source object. Now select object to join. You can join all of these in one time. Okay. And then enter. Now you can see this become the same as the polyline. Okay. That is the difference between the polyline and the line. Okay. But again, this you can still disintegrate everything by typing EX. So, oh sorry, not X. Typing explode. Okay, explode, then enter. Now again, it's returned to its original format. Okay guys, now again we will draw what else? Polygon. Let's say our polygon, you have 8 sides of the polygon. Enter. So I will draw here polygon with 8 sides. Inside of the circle or outside of the circle. I will choose inside of the circle. Okay. So I will draw a circle so you can see what is this inside of the circle. Okay, so the circle is outside. Okay. Then again I will draw the polygon with the same sides, circumscribed about the circle. Okay. I will show you what is the difference between this. Okay, now the circle is inside of our polygon. Sorry, our polygon. Yes, polygon. So now we will draw rectangle. How to draw the rectangle? Simple, draw, click rectangle, or here click the rectangle toolbar, or simply type REC. Now I already have the command because I click on the top, rectangle. Now I want to draw. You can see when you are drawing the rectangle, okay, so there is a changes. Okay, when I'm bringing up from the point that I choose to start the point of our rectangle, you can see there is adjustment on 2 boxes on the right. Okay, when I'm bringing up, it's become higher. When I'm bringing to the right, it's okay. Okay, with the same, you can see the first is the X and the second Y is Y coordinates. Okay, if you bring from this point that I choose, bring down, you can see negative y coordinates is happening, and x is still the same because we are on the fourth quadrant of the Cartesian coordinates. Okay, so on the if I bring to the one to the left, both are on negative, so negative negative, okay, positive negative, and positive positive, negative positive. Okay, now I will draw, let's say, but that is only coordinates, but there's no bearing if this what is the dimension. Now I will draw a box, a rectangular shape with 10,000 uh, uh, x direction size, or 10 meters, and hit the tab on the keyboard, okay, to make it lock. Now I will draw the, let's say, 6,000 only. 6,000 represents 6 meters, and then click enter, hit the enter on the keyboard. Now I have 10 by 6 meter rectangular. Let's see if this is the same. That's dimension 10, okay, dimension and 6, okay. So we have now draw the rectangle. Okay, the circle I already made here, but we need to discuss also circle, center radius, or center diameter. Center radius, center, then radius. Simple. Draw circle, center, diameter, center, diameter. Okay, center, diameter. So we need to type the diameter. Example here, what is the dimension of this? Dimension of the circle, the radius, okay, 647, 6447. All right, now we will do the circle center diameter. Okay, first we will type calculator. Where is the calculator? Calculator. Okay, 6447. Standard. Standard. Okay. Or we have also calculator here. I will discuss later. Here, 6. Okay, 6447. 6447 times 2 equal 12,894. Okay, now we will draw the diameter. 12,894. So enter. So we have the same size of the circle with the radius of 6447 and the diameter of 12,894. Okay, so that is how to draw the circle. Okay, what else? 2 points, it's all the same. And then, okay, now arc. We will draw the basic arc here, start and direction, or 3 points, start, center, and okay, this is the one we are using to draw the door. Okay, start and direction. First, we will draw the one circle again. I will draw one circle, rectangle, sorry, to demonstrate the how to draw. Okay, let's say rectangle. Okay, this 1 meter, 1000. Okay, now move, move, move. It's hanging. Okay, sorry, my program is hanging. Okay, now move, type move, enter. Okay, what is the dimension? Measure 752, 659. I want to adjust this to 1 meter. 45. Okay, 0 to 1 meter. 1. Okay, sorry. Enter. Okay. Okay, compute 10,000 minus, sorry, 1,000 minus 752, enter. 248. Now I want to adjust this. 248, 248, enter. So now I have 1 meter. I want to delete this. Delete. So door. Delete. Now type TR to trim. Okay, select the object, then trim. Sorry, trim. Select the object and enter, then trim. Then delete. Now I have the door now on this inside of the box. Then I will draw the arc here. Draw 1 meter arc. Okay. So line. Okay. First line 1 meter. I have now 1 meter line as our representing our door. Okay. Now I will draw the arc here. Start and direction. Okay, let's see. Start and direction. So this is not suitable here. Draw arc. Start and reduce. Start and reduce. Okay, now this the start and reduce. So again, draw arc, start, center, and end. Start, center, and end. Okay, now we have the door opening inside also. Start and end. Okay, so this is how to do, why we need this arc. Okay, there are too many different usage of this arc. Okay, and next, draw the circle, arc, polygon, helix. What is this helix? Start. Okay, helix. I will show you what is helix. Okay, then like that. Okay, So double. Now helix, if you want to draw helix, top view of the spring, something like this. Okay, this is the helix. Okay, so draw helix again, specify base, specify the radius. Okay, like here, and then like that. That is the helix. How to draw the helix? Again, donut. So specify inside diameter of the donut. Let's say 200 inside the diameters, and then enter. Specify outside diameter of the donuts. Let's say 200, 600, and enter. Now let's draw our donut, or very small. Okay, we'll make it bigger. Donut, type DO, or here donut. Okay, donut by. Now DO, specify inside diameter, let's say 5,000, as in 5 meters. Okay, DO 5 meters, and then outside is 8,000. Okay, and now we can see now our donut. Okay, so we have the donut. Okay, symbol to draw the donut. Now draw multi-line. I already discussed this multi-line or not? Multi-line now. Okay. Okay. How to draw the multi-line? Multi-line. Now let's see what to draw here, somewhere here. Okay. Justification. Top, 0, or bottom. So there are 2 lines. It will start from the top line, or on the bottom line, or in the middle of the 2 lines in the bottom. Okay, let's choose this top line as the scale. The scale, the distance between the lines. Let's say 5 meters, or 4,400. Let's say 4,000. Okay. Then this style is the dimension style, either standard or straight or hidden line. Okay, now let's start to draw our multi-line. This is they are using on the roads or any double lines that you need, so you don't need to repeat the same line. Okay, I will show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. So type C to close. Now we have the multi-line. You can still edit here. What is the distance of this? What is the distance? Let's see. Between here and here is 400. Okay, so the distance between our is 400. Now I want to adjust the distance between these multi-lines. Click, right click, properties. So you can see here it's 4,000. I want to make it only 400. Okay, click enter. So now I will delete this because I will delete the dimension because it's only 400 now. Close dimension, and now I have the 400 now. Okay, so this is the multi-lines. Okay, how to draw the multi-lines is here. I will adjust the multi-line again into maybe properties into 2000. Enter. And delete this, close, and dimension 2000. Okay, guys, you can see our dimension is not visible. It's very small. So we need to adjust this again. Dim, dimension, modify, text size, let's say 500, and then arrow size, let's say 400. Okay, set as current, close. So now it's become more bigger and visible. Okay, okay, let's try another one. Draw. So spline, fit points and control vertices. Spline. Okay, spline, draw the spline, and you can see here you have a spline. Okay, you can draw the line, curving line. Okay, this is the fit points. Okay, now we will use another tools, spline, control vertices. There, so you can see there is vertices on the spline, but you can manipulate later. Okay, so just left click. Okay, enter. Now click it, you can see the vertices here. If you want to manipulate the line, so you can still manipulate, but here you can also manipulate, but okay, so this is the difference between the two techniques on drawing the spline. Now we will draw the ellipse center. Okay, ellipse in the center, and then draw like this. Okay, draw like this, here center, ellipse. Okay, that is the ellipse center. Another one, ellipse axis N. Okay, ellipse axis N. Like for example, I'm doing the axis, but y-axis, so I can expand the x-axis side of the ellipse, or the radius of the ellipse, x radius and y radius. Okay, now let's see another one. Draw ellipse. Okay, I will use the x-axis as reference, x-axis. Now, okay, I can modify or adjust the y-axis radius of the ellipse. That is our ellipse. Move here. Okay, now draw block. What is this block? Make base. Okay, okay, this already make it block. So okay, this okay, I will copy this to show you what is this block. Control C, and then Control B. Now I can copy here, enter. Okay, now this is, you can see here, this is different entities. Move. So you can see this one, different entities. So copy, select, draw, make it block. Okay, name irregular shape. Okay, convert to block and then click OK. So now it's converted to block, so one entity only. Okay, another things. Okay, but still extrude, explode. No, you have now only explode. Okay, this also you can convert into block, edit, copy, edit, paste as block, and then paste. So now you have one entity. Again, you have now one entity. Okay, so but you can still explode this, typing EX, then explode, EX, extend. So just type this E and then explode. Escape. Okay, so draw, point, single point, divide, measure. Okay, this point is example. You have one line and you want to divide it into number of points so that you can select. Okay, like example, I will draw the line first. Line. Okay, line. Sorry, I will make the line. So 10,000. Okay, now enter. So I have 10 meters line. Now I want to divide this line into different and equal, where is this, divide point. Okay, divide. Okay, select the object, how many segments you want to divide, example 5. Now I have this, you can see here there is a point here. Now why we cannot see OSNAP? OSNAP. Okay, node. So node, point, node per apparent intersection. So I have here. Okay, I already have here. Now I want to draw line from this point equally. This, so you can see here. Okay, so how I divide the line, another line I will draw here. So now you can see I divided the 10 meters into 2 meters. So it's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is the point. Another one, hatch. Okay, what is hatch? Okay, so if you want to fill, example, this one circle here, I will copy CO. Copy circle here. and the triangle. Where's the triangle? I will draw triangle here. Number of sides 3, then triangle. Okay, inscribe. Okay, so you can see here hatch type H, or on the hatch, or here you can also here from the draw. Then pick points. Click this ISO. So let's say this. Click OK. Then pick the points here. And then click enter. Click OK. Now you cannot see the figures of this hatch. What we need to do is right click, hatch edit, and adjust this scale. Let's say 50 and click OK. Now you can see this. I again edit, let's say 100 to make it more visible. Now you can see here. Okay, so you have now hatch on this pin, on this circle, and then again hatch, or I will use this here, hatch, or I will use here hatch. Okay, all are the same. Then pick the points, click here, and then enter. Now we cannot see this hatch. So what we will do, in order not to repeat the scaling, just we will copy the properties of this hatch to this. Now M, match properties, MA, copy or select source object, and then select the destination object. Now, so we have the properties now. Okay, so draw gradient. So this is simple, the same thing, hatch, gradient. Okay, so the same thing, you need to draw only. Okay, choose the color. 2, how many colors you need? Color 1, color 2. So gradient. Okay, let's see what is this. Pick points on here and then enter, then click OK. So gradient is the same. Draw boundary. You need to island boundary. So click here, and you can see here, when you create here, you have the boundary. Okay, then you are automatically polyline boundary could not be derived. Create region. Yes. Okay, so now I will remove this, my boundary I created. Move. So I created one boundary using this boundary. So when you click the boundary, it's automatically creating the same shape of the pattern. Okay, now what else? The region. Okay, so first we will create the shape. Copy CO, then copy here, another one, copy CO. Okay, then copy CO, and then hit enter. Copy. Okay, now we will make this region. Select region. So in selecting object and this, enter. So now it's in region. You can type uni. Okay, and enter. So you can see it's unit. This two shape unite each other in the region. Then another one, let's try this to region. Okay, then enter, then type intersect this. Then now you can see here this two is changed. Okay, so now we will use the next one, wipe out. Okay, wipe out. We need to create one shape. Okay, this CO copy. So and then enter. Okay, so we will put hatch inside of this shape. Hatch. Okay, pick the points and so like this, and then enter. Okay, now I want to match properties, MA. So select destination object. Yes, so now we have the same properties of this ellipse. Now we will draw the wipe out, or we will type W wipe out. Okay, then specify first point, or we will use circle. Okay, and use this one as wipe out. Okay, wipe out, specify here. Okay, this, you can see here the shape inside, and then click enter, then you wipe out the center of this hatch area. Okay, so draw dimension. So cloud, I already we will discuss this cloud. It's simple cloud, draw the cloud. Okay, so this usually used in creating or so that is the choices if you invert. So again, cloud, inverse cloud. Okay, and enter. So you have two types of cloud now. This is how to draw the cloud. Okay guys, this is the end of our tutorial today, and see you on the next. So we will learn how to apply all those shapes to draw our project.